Hi everyone, I'm Sabiljan A. Galamba. Ang topic na to aron is instant buoyancy. Means that a ship hull, the outer shell, is a completely sealed and watertight, so it floats properly. The water stays outside, and the ship remains balanced and stable on the surface. Ang tubig na sa jud sa labas. So, ang barko balance og stable sa surface. Kay naa ang buoyancy sa barko nga support sa bug-aton. Maong steady ug safe jud ang barko. Then, buoyancy is the branch. For example, if the hull gets damaged and water enters the ship loses part of its ability to float. The water makes the ship heavier on the side, causing it to tilt, lean, or even sink. This is also affect the ship's ability, makes it harder to control, balance, or keep upright. Maong ang stable sa aning lisod sa kontrolon. Labi na ang balance unsaon paglutaw o kay sudlan ang tubig ang barko. In short, instant buoyancy. Save of the stable ship. Branch buoyancy is a risk to tilting, capsizing, or sinking. Imagine, ang cargo ship sailing across on the ocean. Its hull is strong and watertight. That's instant buoyancy. It floats properly, stay level, and move safely even in the strong waves. Walay problema kay naglutaw man ang nagbalance arong ang barko. Basin pa kusog sa mga bawod, safe kaayo ang mga mali. Suppose the ship hit a rock under the water and the hole is opened off in the hull. Water starts rushing inside. The part of the ship is where the water enters, gets heavier and started to sink lower than the wrist. This makes the ship tilt, mutakilid, and if too much water gets in, the ship capsize, mubali or musink, mulubog, because the ship buoyancy is no longer intact. The stability kay grabe nakapektuhan because of the injury of sa cargo and the mga passenger or crew.